What's up, guys? Welcome back to a video. It's been a long time. So we have a box of Teamcoach. It's just released this last week, so I'm gonna open it. Got all the cards. We got the little pamphlet. Don't need that. There we go. I don't know why there's one just sitting at the top. We're going to take these out. And crack them open. There we go. Here are all the packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And there's 18 on the other side as well. So let's just put these to one side. And we'll get going. Now, first off, we can read what this says. It says 4 commons per pack, 2 silvers. You can read that. There's a lot of wild cards, so we should get a good amount. First pack. We have the silvers, Weddle, and Cozzy. And then we have the star powers. These look very nice, as you can see. And then we have these fancy forecast things, which are pretty interesting. And then a Scallion, I don't even know how to pronounce them, Scallion's card. One in every pack as well. There's a fantasy one and a Scallion's in every pack, so it's quite interesting. So that's the first pack. Second pack, here we go. Got Cody Waitman, Lockie Neal, three silvers, which is a bit weird, and then a silver Majestic Azakini. It's pretty cool. And then we got Fancy Forecast, Matt Rowell, and then a Max Holmes Scallions. There we go. Third pack. We've got Phil Thorpe, Sean Darcy. Oh no, my. This is the one I wanted. Generational Legends, Toby Green. And it's a gold as well. That's insane. That is actually insane. Got that. We got that. We got the wizard. Yeah. Let's say, what is the rarity of that? That okay. That's actually insane. A gold one is 1 in every 864 packs. That's 1 in every 2 cases. Like what? That's insane. That's actually like maybe the best card I've ever pulled. Already? There's those silvers. Yeah, I'm just gonna put those there. And we got Star Powers Durham. Fancy Forecast, Merritt, and then we got Luke Ryan. as skelettons. That's actually an insane start. Oh my god. So we've got Saligo, McGrath. Oh! Gold, best and fairest. Luke Davis-Uniacke. That's 1 in every 40 packs, that is. We're getting very lucky so far. Early on, so they might not be as good later on, but right now, it's proving to be a good box, which is very good for my case. And you guys, you get to see the good cards that I pull. We've got Mills, Mitch Owens, and then we got this, the silver best and fairest, so you can see similarities. They look very similar. One's silver, one's gold. Then there. We're flying through the packs. Trent Rivers, Flanders. Look what you got, a Patrick Cripps best and fairest now. It's pretty good for me. I'll go for Carlton. We got a Chera. Here we go. Next pack. Got Langford, Dangerfield. And we got Tom Green, Cardcraft. That's the regular one. So we'll just put it next to him. Got that one, and then we got that one. Next pack here. Oh, we got the blue thing. I don't know what it's called. It's like the gold cards from last year. That's 1 in every 7 packs. Actually, I really like that card. Looks pretty sick. Let's just have a look at this card. It's pretty cool. There's the silvers. We got Star Powers, Isaac Rankin. Next pack. We got 3 silvers. Then we got Zion. There we are. Next pack. You got Warple, Duggan, and we got this weird footy flicks thing. They should bring back the old footy flickers. They were my favourite when I was young. I'm just gonna move all the commons to this side so it's easier for me. And the silvers. In the next pack. We've got Bont, Shojadis, and we got another blue one. Really, it looks pretty cool. Got Georgiades. We're flying through the packs here. We're nearly halfway through. And we've got a wizard, Star Powers. Two wild cards, or 2 box hits, nearly halfway through. It's pretty good. So here, got Adam Sard, blue. Very nice. It's a very nice card. Got Elliot Yeo and Ryan Mansell. Oh, and then we've got the Adelaide Best and Fairest. They have two players who were Best and Fairest. That looks like a very neat card. We've got Crisp and Fife. Next pack. We got Merritt, Harris Andrews, and we got Star Powers, Brayshaw, Elliot Yeo, and Noah Bolter. So here we go, halfway through. Here we are. Heaney, McLaney. We got Star Powers, Tom Green. We got Short, and we got Dawson. So halfway through, let's just count these. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 left. Here we go. Halfway through. We got Zerha, Briggs. We got the Footy Flicks thing. Got that and that. Next pack. Got Prestia, Oscar Allen, and then we got George Wardlaw Blue, Fanny Forecast, and then Isaac Heaney. Next pack. Got Jaden Short, Jamara, oh, three of them. We got Cripps, Star Powers. We got Bont, Horn Francis. Next pack here. Got Luke Jackson, Blake Acres, and we got a Hugh McCluggage, Star Powers. We got Jack Steele, and we got Charlie Curnow. So then we got, if you look at the back, the Brisbane ones, you got the flag, Oscar McInerney there, pretty cool. So next pack, you got Philippou, Fogarty, got Bobby Hill, Star Powers, Sam Walsh, Fantasy Forecast, and then Took Miller, Skeletons. On to the next one. Still only the 2 box hits now. It's looking not looking that good anymore. We got Best and Fairest Sarong. We got Newcomb and Nick Dacos. Taylor, Nankervis. Then we got Matt Rowell, Libba, and Waterman. Next pack, nearly like a quarter left, nearly. Zorko. Oh, we got another gold Best and Fairest. We got 2 of them now. That's 3 box hits. Great. And we got Cripps and Taranto. Here we go. Next pack. Rayner, Clanola. We got Bandit King star powers. Brian Myers and Jesse Hogan. About a quarter left now, I'd say. Hoping for another wild card would be very nice. We get a majestic Harry Sheezel. And Nick Dacos. Not long to go now. Got Archie Sinclair. Oh, we've got another one. Generational. But it is the Team Cards one. Still a very cool card. That looks insane. This is one of my favorites ever to exist. That just looks incredible. Let's put him up there. I think those ones, let me check. Maybe one in every so many packs. It is one in every 60 packs. That's very good. Nearly one every 2 boxes. So pretty good with the hits today. Got Harley Reid, Cardcraft, Whitfield, and Wilkie. Here we go. It's nearly over. Not long to go. Smith, Tracy. Then we got Bont, Footy Flicks, Dangerfield, and Lockie Neal. Next pack, here we go. Sanders, Burn Jones, and we got the Jed Walter rookie wildcard. I did not get any of those last year, so it's very, very nice to see. I'll just put him there. You can still see him, I think. Got Tim English, Blakey. That's it. Got Crepes, Barras. We got Bruce Majestic, So Wrong, Fantasy, and Ollie Henry. We got Liam Ryan, Lloyd Meek, and we got the Morris Rioli Star Powers. Okay, 2 packs to go. Here we go. Hopefully we get something good. I'll take what if we don't, but because we have all these good cards that we got. So yeah. Last pack of the video. Here we go. We are going to go backwards. We got Guthrie, Archie, Bolton, Akers. We got that, Waitman. Got Maynard, Darcy, and the last one is Crisp. There we go. That is the end. Do a little recap now of the wild cards. So we got Jed Walter, rookie. Zach Merritt, Gold BNF. LDU BNF. And we got the 2 Generational Legends wildcards. They are incredible. Toby Green, the gold one in every 2 cases, 1 in every 20 boxes, which is absolutely insane. I'm very grateful for that card. So yeah, very nice pack opening there. If you wish to see more, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and you know, maybe I'll just post another one. Sorry for the wait with the videos. That's all right. See you in the next one. See ya.